Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. If you guys have been following this channel for a while, you know I've been shooting Canon all my life, or let's just say for about 4 years. And about my journey with Canon, I started with the Canon 7D, then moved to 6D, and now I'm using the Canon EOS R. So my journey has been with Canon for the most part. I got a chance to try out the Fuji Xt-3, and you know there's a lot of hype around that camera, so I just had to get my hands on it. A lot of people are switching to it, so I decided to try it out and give you guys feedback. Anyway, this camera came with a kit lens, so that's what I ended up using for the entire photo shoot. I'll just briefly tell you about my experience with it and share some behind the scenes videos and photos. I took the Fuji Xt-3 out with my friend Julie and we went to the beach just to shoot. Anyways, the kit lens is an amazing lens. The build quality is just solid and feels like premium glass in your hands, but the aperture is variable and that's something you have to bear in mind when using it. Fuji, however, has a lot of other lenses that you can try out and they're relatively affordable when compared to their full frame equivalents. Overall, I was surprised with the camera. The images look great straight out of the camera, but because I've been using Canon my entire life, it took me a while to get used to the buttons, which is expected, but that's something easy to learn if you're going to own this camera. The menu system is better than that of Sony, but it's not as good as the Canon in my opinion. The dynamic range is very good. The images I got out of it had a medium format feel, and I say this because the amount of detail it resolves is insane, especially for a 24 megapixel camera. The highlight roll-off is very smooth in this camera and may even be better than Canon's. The eye autofocus is great, especially with the new firmware update, and it's quick to focus and track. A lot of people also like the Fuji because of the video features, and I did look at a few video scenes and the details were amazing. It's sharp, the colors look really good, and they have a ton of profiles or film simulations you can play with. What can I say? In 2019, almost all the cameras are great for photography. It's with the video aspects that some companies either are crossing boundaries or playing safe. In the long run, choose what will best suit your needs as the differences are rather small. I'll do a few more shoots with the Fuji, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please leave a like below just to show support and subscribe if you haven't, or if you want to keep seeing more videos from me. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.